Chevrolet will certainly head right into the summer season of 2023 with a new off-road battle horse in its steady. The following Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 Bison, which has thus far only existed in reports and fleeting looks of camouflaged models, is official. Save the day for May 31st, as that's when the 2024 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 Bison will be introduced to the world. These pictures reveal a Colorado ZR2 prototype putting on a lot more camouflage than what we've seen previously, namely with heavy covers on the hood. Nonetheless, some of the cover is peeled off away at the bottom of the front fascia, revealing driving lights embedded in uneven hexagon intermediaries. This is different from the ZR2, and though the rest of the front clip, and certainly the whole vehicle, is still camo covered, we aren't anticipating any kind of noteworthy layout changes save for some critical cladding to protect the body. We do expect adjustments under the skin, much like the last Bison trim over the ZR2. 35-inch tires are all but verified, and also a recent spy video found various shocks below. The vehicle shows up to ride a little taller than the already capable ZR2, which originates from the manufacturing facility with a 3-inch lift. Different skid plates are likely, however it's vague if Chevy will include power to the turbocharged 2.7-liter four-cylinder. It presently maxes out at 310 horsepower and also 430 pound-feet of torque for the ZR2, and as a tip, the 4-pot is the only engine offered for all Colorado trim degrees. A sturdy off-road racing version of the new ZR2 might preview a little Bison. Debuting in 2022 soon after the 2023 Colorado's launch, it was constructed with Chad Hall competing to dominate deserts. Of course, the previous generation ZR2 Bison was an item of Chevrolet as well as American Exploration Vehicles, AEV, and that partnership is most likely to continue. Our inquiries will certainly be responded to on May 31st, yet do not be amazed to see more main teasers of the new Colorado ZR2 Bison between every now and then.